The latest Michelin Guide Taiwan 2024 Bib Gourmand selection has just been released and share a diversified array of tasty foods of the best value. Let's start with Taipei. This year's selection has included for the first time a Mexican restaurant, Pum. Its signature cochinita pibil taco with slow-cooked pork, house-made habanero salsa, and hibiscus pickled onion is a must-order. When in Taiwan, braised pork rice is something cannot miss. The famous Huangji Ru Fan leans toward the fatty side and delivers exceptional depth and a mild gelatinous texture. Make sure to come early as there is a long queue every day. Soft Power takes you to try the South Taiwanese style egg fritters with crisp crust and fluffy center. There's over 10 fillings to choose from, including flavors like Sichuan pepper sausage and soy milk chicken. If you are a noodle fan, make sure to visit Ajisai in Taichung. The restaurant opens only 3 days a week and is famous for Jiangzi and Sichuan-style noodles, along with the delicious side dishes prepared fresh every morning. Gourmet Lab in Tainan, on the other hand, experiments with noodles recipes from around the world, serving bold creations with deep and layered flavors. Another small eat cannot miss in Taiwan is guabao. The must-try is the assorted guabao stuffed with crisp pickled cabbage, half-fatty soy braised pork, ground peanut sugar, and the secret red chili sauce. A comforting soup is always heartwarming. Try Simmer House's 5 Chinese double-boiled soups, each accompanied by a side and your choice of rice or noodles. Which of these establishments are you more excited to try? Let us know in the comment section below.